येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। आज हम लोग देखेंगे अभ्यास 14 या रचना प्रारंभिक रचनानुवाद कौमुदी का। So we are going to look at Abhyasa 14, and then there are a few words that will come. So, uh, Divakar ji, can you read from Asmad to this part? Kiyat. So from this till this, can you just read all of these words?
Okay. अस्मत् अर्थात मैं, सर्वनाम। छात्र अर्थात विद्यार्थी। अन्नम अर्थात अन्न। निमित्तम अर्थात कारण। कारणम अर्थात कारण। हेतु अर्थात कारण। इसम भूतकाल बोधक अव्यय। ऊपरी अर्थात ऊपर। अधः अर्थात नीचे। नीचे अर्थात नीचे। पुरः अर्थात सामने। पश्चात अर्थात पीछे। अग्रे अर्थात आगे। अग्रतः अर्थात आगे। यावत जितना, जब तक। तावत उतना, तब तक। इयत अर्थात इतना। कियत अर्थात कितना।
Okay. So next is a ga, which I will read. Shreshtha. Shreshtha is best or Shresht, the best among a lot or something like this. Patutamaha. Patutamaha is sabse chaturya, the most clever. Now, Patutamaha has one more pratyaya or a suffix. That is tamap pratyaya. I will just write this. This is important because we say Shreshthatamaha, right? We call something as the best. So we have something called as tamap pratyay. Tamap pratyay. Ye tamap pratyay you have to put against something. You will say something like guru. Guru jod tamap is equal to guru tamaha. Something like this. And then what happens? It becomes a pratipadika. Guru tamaha or guru tama. When it becomes guru tama, then it becomes a new akaranta pullinga shabda, right? So you have, say, eshaha granthaha. Guru is important, okay? Guru is important. So, guru means important. So, if I say this book is important, eshaha granthaha guru tamaha. What is happening? Guru tamaha is the visheshana. Granthaha is Visheshya. Visheshana takes the Linga Vibhakti Vachana of the Visheshya. So Eshaha Granthaha. Granthaha is Akaranta Punlingaha. Right? And Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. That is becoming Guru Tamaha. If you had used not Guru Tama, so no Tama Pratyaya, just Guru, you would say Eshaha Granthaha Guruhu. That is, this Grantha is important. Okay, so this is one thing. And now Asmad. Where do we see Asmad? Asmad is Aham, Avam, Vayam. So that thing. So Aham Patami. That is coming from this Asmad. But it is only for what? It is for when I say Aham Patami, Aham Gachami, Avam Gachamaha, sorry, Avam Gachavaha, Vayam Gachamaha, something like this we are saying. Then Kaha Gach, so Kaha Gachati. Prashna will be this, कौन जाता है, or who will go. So that who is the karta. And he's saying aham gacchami. So when I say aham gacchami, so aham, that aham becomes the karta. So karta karaka we have seen, that is the prathama vibhakti. Then you have karma karaka. So what if you want to use something like mere pe, mere liye? What do you do there? That is the question. For those things, we say मेरे लिए पुस्तक लाया, or something like this, मेरे लिए पुस्तक लाओ. What will you do in that case? So for this we need to understand the asmat shabda. Shabd sankhya 40. Very interesting. We will look at shabd sankhya 40, and this is 40. हाँ, देखिए, अहम, आवाम, वयम, मैं, हम दोनों, हम सारे, माम, आवाम, अस्मान, मुझे, हम दोनों को, हम बहुत सारों को, अस्मान, पृच्छति, शिक्षिका, हमको पूछती है, शिक्षिका, द टीचर आस्क्स अस, अस्मान, माम, माम पृच्छति, मुझे पूछती है. Or else you can say something like naha. Where have we seen this naha? Very interesting. We say naha comes in two places actually, and I will tell both. So in some prayers and all, they will say kripam karotu naha. हमको कृपा करिए. करोतु, करोतु is what we have seen. कृ is तनादिगण, कृ is तनादिगण धातु, एंड कैसे रूप चलेगा, तनोति, इस तरीके से, तो करोति, तनोति तुनुतः तुनुवंती, सो करोति कुरुतः कुरुवंती, ऐसे. एंड उसका, दिस इज इन द लट लकार. लोट लकार इज आज्ञार्थक, so we will say, or adesharthaka, so we will say karotu, right? So mam kripam karotu. Now we say maya, मेरे द्वारा, मया, मेरे द्वारा, इमं कार्यं संपूर्णम् अभवत, मया, मेरे द्वारा यह कार्य संपूर्ण हुआ. आवाभ्याम अस्माभिः, इन द द्विवचनम एंड बहुवचनम. मह्यम आवाभ्याम अस्मभ्यम. व्हाट इज मह्यम? मह्यम इज वेरी गुड. मह्यम इन द सेंस दैट वी हैव सीन दानार्थे चतुर्थी, राइट? किसी को कुछ दिया जाए तो जिसको दिया जाए उस पे चतुर्थी. So the person to whom you give something, for that person you will use chaturthi. So you will say mahyam bhojanam dadati, yachati, whatever. Now the next is mat avabhyam asmat. What is panchami vibhakti? It is apadana karaka. Mat is Panchami. Now, where have we seen mat coming in uh, our discussions before? So we say Ramat Krishna Patutaraha. We saw this, right, in the last class. That if you want to compare two things and you are saying that one of the things is in some way better or something like that than the other, so the other guy, so if I say X is more intelligent than Y, so on Y we will use Panchami Vibhakti. When Gita this comes, very interestingly, where does it come? In the Gita you have this shloka, Mattah Parataram Nanyat Kinchidasti Dhananjaya. So there that mat comes. Yeah? Mattah ततः परतरं नान्यत किंचिदस्ति धनंजय. Like this it will come. Now Shashti. Shashti comes in uh, this is for the sense of belonging. We say mama avayoho asmakam me now nah. So mama is what? Mama is mera. Mama pustika, mama pustakam, mama phalam. आवयोहो गृहम, हम दोनों का घर. अस्माकम देशः, हमारा देश. एंड यू हैव अ पैरेलल, यू कैन यूज मे इंस्टेड ऑफ मम. आवयो के लिए नाउ, अस्माकम के लिए नह. सो वेयर डज नाउ कम? सो दिवाकर जी, यू वुड सी दिस वेरी इंटरेस्टिंगली इन a very famous prayer. We say sahanavavatu, right? So
Yes.
sahanau bhunaktu. So sahanau avatu. What is happening? Sa, we are saying that हम दोनों की, नौ, नौ इज हम दोनों की क्या करे? रक्षा करे. अवतु, कौन? ईश्वर रक्षा करे. सो वहां पे क्या प्रार्थना है? प्रार्थना है गुरु शिष्य के लिए प्रार्थना है कि दोनों की रक्षा हो. लाइक दैट. एंड मई, मई इज फॉर सप्तमी, and avayoho is for two people saptami, and more than three or three is asmasu. So in this way it will work. Now we will go back and see the abhyasa again. So yeah, so as you have seen the structure, we look at building some knowledge in each session, and then we look at some applications. That is how the text has been proceeding for the past few days. Okay. नाउ धातु के लृट लकार वाले रूप के साथ स्म अव्यय लगाने से भूतकाल अर्थ हो जाता है. सो इफ यू वांट टू डू a dhatu based thing where you want to basically say that I want to move from lat lakara to lang lakara, which is anadyatana bhutakala, or you want to go to the aparoksha bhutakal, that is, sorry, not paroksha bhutakal. So I mean very far in the remote past, something like that. So you will say this thing, you will say lit lakara, right? So either lit or lang lakara. So lang lakara is generally used. In common usage is lang lakara only. But if you don't want to use lang lakara and want to do just somehow remember the lat lakara or the present tense, you can use a trick. Instead of saying वह पढ़ता था as सह अपठत, वह पढ़ता था as सह अपठत, you can write स पठति स्म. That is, just add a sma. Anything you add a sma, it becomes past tense. So just, if you want to go from present to past tense, so basically use the lat lakara word and just say sma. Aham padhami sma. मैं पढ़ता था, पढ़ रहा था. Something like this. So it is a good way to avoid saying aham apatham, like that. So okay, so that's नियम नंबर 35. 36 is संबंध कारक के अर्थ में षष्ठी विभक्ति होती है. जैसे किसी का किसी से संबंध हो, तो जो उसका, जिसके साथ संबंध जोड़ना है, so we say किसकी पुस्तक है? कस्य पुस्तिका इमा. So we will say रामस्य पुस्तिका, और इमं कस्य गृहं? कृष्णस्य गृहं. सिमिलरली गंगायाः जलम वृक्षस्य पत्रम. हेतु शब्द के साथ षष्ठी होती है. हेतु, हेतु इज उकारांत पुल्लिंग एंड इट्स षष्ठी एकवचनम इज हेतोः, लाइक गुरोः. सो किसी के लिए, तो वी विल से अध्ययनस्य हेतोः वसति. इसके लिए, अध्ययन के लिए रहता है, या धनस्य हेतोः पठति, धन के लिए पढ़ता है. नाउ निमित्त अर्थ वाले शब्दों के साथ प्रायः सभी विभक्तियां होती है. वह किसके लिए पढ़ता है? तो यू कैन ईदर से सह किम निमित्तम पठति, और केन निमित्तेन तृतीया, और कस्मै निमित्ताय विच इज चतुर्थी, और कस्य हेतु हो, और कस्मात् कारणात् केन प्रयोजनेन वा. So all kind of things you can do if you are using nimitta. So that's the idea. Now, okay, we will look at some applications also of this, I guess. स्मरण अर्थ की धातुओं के साथ खेद पूर्वक स्मरण में बेसिकली यूज कर्म में षष्ठी होती है, तो मातु स्मरति, फ्रॉम द वर्ड मातृ. मातृ में उसका षष्ठी एक वचन होता है, मातु स्मरति, लाइक दिस यू कैन यूज. और देर आर फॉर सम अदर्स ऑल्सो, बहुतों में से एक को छांटने के अर्थ में, जिससे छांटा जाए, उसमें षष्ठी और सप्तमी दोनों होती है. छात्रों में राम श्रेष्ठ है, छात्राणाम छात्रेषु व राम श्रेष्ठ, तो जिनमें श्रेष्ठ है उनमें षष्ठी लगानी है. एंड ऊपरी किसी के ऊपर, अधः नीचे, नीचे ही नीचे, पुरः पश्चात, अग्रे अग्रतः, इन शब्दों के साथ भी यू विल यूज षष्ठी. So you see, pure is what? Purah is सामने, पश्चात is पीछे, अग्रे is आगे, अग्रतः. So you will say अर्जुनस्य अग्रतः, अर्जुन के आगे, कृष्णः तिष्ठति, कृष्ण बैठते हैं रथ में, obviously. So that way. Now we look at the अभ्यास. अभ्यास is, यह राम का घर है. एतत् रामस्य गृहम् अस्ति. Where is एतत् coming from? एतत् is the सर्वनाम, this is a pronoun for griham. Why etat? Why not एषः? गृहम is नपुंसकलिंग, so एतत् instead of एषः. तो किसका है? राम का, तो राम पे षष्ठी. भोजनस्य हेतोः आगच्छ, भोजन के लिए आओ. कस्मात् कारणात् हससि, किस कारण से हंसते हो? वो निमित्त या हेतु है, तो उसके लिए दोनों में पंचमी लगा दी एंड सही हससी, किसके लिए हंस रहे हो, किस कारण से हंस रहे हो. So I have a few questions based on this. So Sanskrit. So I will ask the other way. So now, Divakar ji, this part, 10 to 14. Try to do an anuvada of this.
ओके. मह्यम मोदकम रोचते,
Hmm.
मुझे मोदक बहुत पसंद है.
हाँ, पसंद है बहुत, यहाँ पे बहुत के लिए
अच्छा.
कोई विशेषण दिया नहीं,
हाँ.
पसंद है, सिंपली
राइट.
पसंद.
पसंद. मम एतत् पुस्तकम अस्ति.
हाँ, तो एक बात बताइए, आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. इसमें
यस.
एतत् पुस्तकम में किसका क्या लिंग है?
पुस्तक नपुंसक लिंग है, इसलिए एतत् शब्द आया है. और मम तो डिपेंड करता है, मतलब कुछ
हाँ,
भी
तो
दोनों ही हो
मम का
सकता
कुछ
है.
नहीं है, मम में कुछ नहीं है, मम इज अस्मद. अब ये
यस.
अहम आपके बात कर रहा है, तो देर आर सम प्रोनाउंस विच कम विद द लिंगा, लाइक लाइक वी से समथिंग लाइक किम. किम का तो लिंग है, कह कऊ के, या का के कहा, या किम के कानी. परंतु
यस.
अस्मत का लिंग नहीं, का कोई लिंग नहीं है. अस्मत इज लिंग निरपेक्ष. ओके, सो
यस.
मम इज लिंग निरपेक्ष. लड़का बोले, लड़की बोले, कोई भी बोले, इट इज मम, मेरा.
यस.
हाँ, सो मम इज दैट, बट मम एतत् पुस्तकम अस्ति, तो फिर क्या इसका अनुवाद है?
यह मेरी पुस्तक है.
अच्छा, फाइन.
हाँ.
एंड व्हाट इज मयि क्षमा सत्यम च स्तः?
मयि क्षमा सत्यम च स्तः. मयि, वेट अ मिनट.
मई, मई कहाँ आएगा? मई इज सप्तमी, अस्मद सप्तमी एक वचनम, मुझ में.
मुझ में.
हाँ, मुझ में क्या
ओके.
है फिर?
मुझ में क्षमा और सत्य।
हाँ, मुझ में क्षमा और सत्य क्या है? ये स्तः क्या
वही
है? व्हाट इज स्तः? विच इज द धातु फॉर स्तः?
अस्ति।
अस्ति तो धातु रूप है। धातु क्या है? अस।
धा-
अस धातु।
अस धातु, यस।
अस। नाउ, यावत इच्छसि तावत भक्षय। अब सोचिए इसका क्या अर्थ होगा। और मुझे तीन चार चीजें जाननी। यावत का अर्थ क्या है? तावत का अर्थ क्या है? इच्छसि किस लकार में है? भक्षय किस लकार में है?
यावत अर्थात जितना,
हम्म।
जितनी इच्छा हो उतना खाइए या खाना चाहिए।
आहा, नहीं 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 नहीं, इसको थोड़ा हम सोचते हैं। इसको
हम्म,
तोड़ना कैसे है? इच्छसि इज फाइन, इच्छसि इज अ पर्टिकुलर धातु। नाउ इच्छसि इज व्हाट इन मध्यम पुरुष, लट लकार। यावत इज जब तक इच्छा करते हो।
हम्म,
Because I'm
जब तक
talking to a person, I'm saying to that person, not to any third person. या हाँ, यावत इच्छसि, जब तक इच्छा करते हो तब तक भक्षय, इट मेक सेंस दैट इट विल बी खाना खाओ। नाउ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज हैपनिंग? दिस इज भक्ष धातु। भक्ष धातु इज कमिंग फ्रॉम चुरादिगण। सो चुरादिगण वर्क्स लाइक चोरयति चोरयतः, उसमें एक अय जैसा लगता है, इट बिकम्स भक्षयति भक्षत भक्षयतः। सो लाइक इन पठति पठतः पठन्ति, द लोट लकार फॉर्म मध्यम पुरुष इज पठ, बट चुरादी गण में वो अय जैसा कुछ लगता है, फॉर विच वी विल कम टू दैट, इज कॉल्ड एज संप्रसारण। So each of these ganas have their own unique samprasarana. Like we have seen, it's not karati karatah karanti, right? It is karoti karat kurutah kurvanti. क्यों बना वैसा? और क्यों करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति is looks more similar to तनोति तुनुतः तुन्वन्ति than bhavati bhavatah bhavanti, because they come from different classes of ganas or ganas, and each of these ganas have some peculiar ways in which the dhatu rupas will operate. There will be some exceptions also. I'm not saying that it is not there, but in general, that's a pattern that you will see. So, and that pattern is generally created by something known as samprasarana. We haven't yet seen samprasarana. It will come probably in the second volume, but I might just talk about it later a little bit. So, yavat guruhu asti अत्र अस्ति तावत अत्र एव तिष्ठ। जब तक गुरु यहाँ है, अत्र अस्ति, तावत अत्र एव तिष्ठ, तब तक यहीं रहो, तिष्ठति। तो स्था
खड़े।
धातु, स्था धातु का लोट लगा रही तिष्ठति, तो वो स्था नहीं रहा, वो तो तिष्ठ, तिष्ठ बन गया। There are reasons why this happened. It's not very arbitrary. There are some Panini sutras which will govern this movement, or which will explain this movement. Now, Samskrita Banao. I will ask this simple question to you. I mean, I will just ask you from 1, 2, 3, and 4.
ओके। यह राम की पुस्तक है। एतत् रामस्य पुस्तकम अस्ति।
Perfect. Next one.
यह सुशीला का घर है। एतत् सुशीलायाः सुशीलायाः गृहम् अस्ति।
सुशीलायाः गृहम् अस्ति। Yes.
गंगा का जल मधुर है। गंगायाः जलम मधुरम अस्ति।
हाँ।
वृक्ष के पत्ते लाओ। वृक्षात पत्रम
वृक्षस्य,
वृक्षस्य।
है ना, वृक्ष
राइट,
के। हाँ, वृक्ष के क्या पत्ते
वृक्षस्य
क्या है?
पत्रम।
हाँ, पत्र।
पर्णम या
हाँ,
पत्रम दो।
पत्रम इज फाइन, बट पत्रम का बहुवचन क्या होगा?
बहुवचन।
नपुंसक लिंग है ना, तो पत्रम पत्रे
यस।
पत्राणी।
पत्राणि।
हाँ, और वही द्वितीय में भी चलेगा, प्रथमा द्वितीय एक होता है नपुंसक लिंग
यस।
का, तो प्रथमा द्वितीय बीइंग द सेम, वी विल से वृक्ष से पत्राणी Anaya.
हाँ नहीं है.
So we have seen Anaya, this thing, Anayatu or Anayati, these things in the previous Patha, that is
Yes,
13th
yes.
Abhyasa. And
Hmm.
okay, so one I will do now. I will do 10 and 11. So छात्राणाम छात्रों में कृष्णः श्रेष्ठः पटुतमः च and 11 is कवीनां तुलसीदासः श्रेष्ठः अस्ति, whatever, yeah, so that way we will go. Now with this, yeah, we are kind of done with this thing. Now अध्ययेन हेतुना वसामि, we know that wherever there is a hetu we will use षष्ठी, so it becomes अध्ययनस्य हेतु, अध्ययन के हेतु, अध्ययन के लिए वसामि. So अध्ययनेन हेतुना is wrong, this is in tritiya. मातरम स्मरति is मातु स्मरति, and कविभ्यः कालिदासः श्रेष्ठः, कविभ्यः is also wrong, this is not in the षष्ठी, so we will say कवीनाम. So we say, where is this kavibhyah coming? This is coming from uh, चतुर्थी विभक्ति और पंचमी. चतुर्थी और
पंचम.
पंचमी यू हैव, हाँ, चतुर्थी और पंचमी बोथ हैज कविभ्यः, लाइक बालकेभ्यः. सो बालकाय बालकाभ्याम बालकेभ्यः, बालकात् बालकाभ्याम बालकेभ्यः, द सेम वे कवये कविभ्याम कविभ्यः. So for that it will be Chaturthi or Panchami Bahuvachanam. So both are wrong because Shashti is to be used. Now in the same way Abhyasa, अच्छा अस्मत् शब्द के पूरे रूप लिखो. This is must, this you must do. This is very very important. And then वाक्य बनाओ. So asman, asman, asmabhyam, asmat. Use the Shabda Rupa that you have at the back of the book for us, for Asmad, and create two words, uh, Asman and Asmakam. Create two words. Because there are two sentences, sorry.
Okay, अस्मात्. अस्मान, अस्माकं. I'm not able to find this exact word in the Shabdaroop. Uh,
ठीक है. So Asman, Asman is हम दोनों को, या सही हम बहुत सारों को. दैट इज इन द कर्म, कर्म कारक है. सो कर्म कारक पे कुछ कर्ता लगाना पड़ेगा. वी कैन यूज सम कर्ता. सो शिक्षिका अस्मान पाठयति, राइट, हमको पढ़ाती है. शिक्षिका इज कर्ता and asman becomes the karma karaka and kriya is pathayati. Asmakam is simply asmakam deshah bharatvarshah. हमारा देश भारतवर्ष है. That's all.
Right.
Hmm. Okay, so I think there is some amount of practice that is required now.
Yes, yes, yes.
Otherwise, translations of more complex things will become very difficult. Anyway, so I will quickly go here and once again change the present something else, right? I need to, yeah. I hope this is visible. Yeah, we will try to complete the Balakanda today. So let us see how much I can do. So we stopped at shloka number 23. I have to go to this one, 24th. I hope this is somewhat visible. अथाग्निः उत्थितः कश्चित् गृहीत्वा पायसं चरुम् एतत् प्राशय पत्नीः त्वमित्युक्त्वा तान्नृपायसः. So, एतत् प्राशय पत्नीस्त्वम् इत्युक्त्वा तान्नृपायसः. This is better, yeah. So this is so basically Rama Janma Prasanga is gradually coming. So, अथ अग्नेः उत्थितः कश्चित् गृहीत्वा पायसं चरुम् एतत् प्राशय पत्नीः त्वम् इति उक्त्वा आदात् नृपायसः. So, when this yajna was done, Putra Kameshti Yaga, so where does this evidence for Putra Kameshti come? Here. Putra Kameshtim Arebhe. Putra Kameshti he did. Atha Agnehe Utthitaha Kashchit. Kashchit is koi. Grihitva Payasam Charum. Etat Prashaya Patnihi Tvam Ityuktva Adat Nripayasah. So now what happened? Atha also tells that after this, after what? Anantaryartha. That is, Atha has multiple meanings. Out of that is one is uh, Anantaryartha. That is after something happening. So what happened after which Agni came? A yajna happened. And Agni came, Utthitaha, Uthna. He came out of the yajna kunda. And then Payasam Charum. So sorry, so this is different. So what is happening? Payasam charum, grihitva payasam charum. So he's using rice cooked in milk, that is payasam, and he's using that as an ahuti, the Raja. So no, the Rishi, he's using that as a uh, ahuti. And then what is he saying? He's saying that you now give this to your patni, etat prashaya, give it to your patni, इति उक्त्वा आदात, ऐसा कह के इति उक्त्वा आदात gave to nripa. So see, adat to nripa, he is giving. So to whom something is given, on that person chaturthi is used. We are seeing that nripaya. Nripaya comes from nripa. Nripa is akaranta pullinga. So balakaya in the same way nripaya. Who is saha? Avishya shringa. He is giving it. So तद गृहीत्वा तदैवासौ पत्नीः प्रायशत् उत्सुकः ताश्च तत्प्राशनादेव नृपात् गर्भम् अधारयन्. So he, after receiving this tad grihitva, what did he do? That itself he gave asau, he gave it to the patni, prashayat. He gave it to Patni. And what happened? After having it, she bore the child Nipat Garbham Adharayan. She bore the child of the she bore the child of the or they rather they so actually all so Nadim Nadi okay, so this is Patnihi, so this is Bahuvachanam, so not only Kaushalya but Subhadra and Kaikeyi all were given this, and then all of them bore the children of the Nripa, the king. Now Purne Kale, after some time, Atha, what happened after all this thing? Kausalya Sajjanam Bhaskaram Ajijan, no, sorry, Ajijanat Ramachandram Kaikeyi Bharatam Tatha. So Sajjanam Bhaskaram, Sajjanaha eva ambhojani tesham bhaskarah, like sun to the lotuses in the form of good persons. Or we can say that Rama is as pleasing to good persons like the sun to the lotuses. So he is Rama. So such a child was born to Kaikeyi, or Kaikeyi gave birth to such a child, Ajijanat, and so not to Kausalya, sorry, to Kausalya. And Kaikeyi Bharatam Tatha, and Kaikeyi gave birth to Bharat. So now Kausalya has given birth to Rama and Kaikeyi to Bharat. Now what happens? I'm actually moving to the next page. Sorry, I did not. Yeah, so this was the shloka, these two. I did not do it here. Yeah. So Tato Lakshmana Shatrughnau Sumitraji Janat Sutau अकारयत् पिता तेषां जातकर्मादिकं द्विजैः. So all the rituals, that is jata karma, etc., all those things that are done for a newborn child, those were done by uh, the children of these father, pita tesham. He did akarayat, all the karmas through the dvijas. The brahmanas and all came and they did it. So tato, what is happening? So Kausalya's son is born Rama, Kaikeyi's son is born Bharat, and then after this, Tataha, Lakshmana Shatrughnau, Sumitra, Sumitraji Janat Sutau. So children, Sutau, two child, two boys were born to, or to Sumitra gave birth to two boys, Lakshmana and Shatrughna. And Tesham Pita, Tesham as in not only these two boys, the other two boys as well, so all the four children, their Pita. That is why Tesham, right? Tesham is in Bahuvachanam. Tasya tayoho Tesham. Unke pita, what did they do? So we saw today, right? किसी के लिए कुछ हो, रामस्य पुस्तकः. In the same way, Tesham pita, Shashti Vibhakti has come now. So for Tat Punlinga Shashti Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam. So he did all these things, Jata Karma, etc., rituals. Now what is happening? ततो वव्रिधिरेर् वव्रिधिरेन्योन्यं, हाँ, ततो वव्रिधिरेन्योन्यं स्निग्धाश्चत्वार एव ते सकलासु च विद्यासु नैपुण्यम् अभिलेभिरे, that is abhilephire, they attained what? Naipunyam, deftness in all विद्या, सकलासु विद्यासु, इन सभी विद्याओं में. तो इन में क्या होगा? दैट इज सप्तमी. सकलासु विद्यासु, सकल इज व्हाट? सकल इज द क्वालिफायर, that is the visheshana, so it is getting the linga vachana vibhakti of the Visheshya. Vidya is the Visheshya, and Sakala is the Visheshana. And what all happened? Tata, after all these Jata Karma and all, these children started growing up. Vavridhire. They started growing up. Anyonyam. Snigdhaschattvara evate. They were snigdha towards each other. Anyonyam. They were kind, or rather friendly or gentle towards each other. Chat Snigdhash Chatvara Evate, or these four kids. Now, what else is happening? ततः कदाचिदागत्य विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः ययाचे यज्ञरक्षार्थं रामशक्तिधरोपमम्. Shaktidhara is Ramam Shaktidharopamam. Yeah, so Shaktidhara is here the Lord of War. Who is the Lord of War in Sanatan Dharma? We say Kartikeya Bhagavan is the Lord of War. So he is as powerful as Upamam, Shaktidhara ke saman, Ram. So Rama is equal in valor to Lord Kartikeya. So what happened? After all this thing, the kids all they started growing up in and grew up in knowledge and other things. Uh, After that, kadachit, sometime, Agatya, who came? Vishwamitra Mahamuni came. And after coming, Agatya, आने के बाद, what did he do? Yayache yajna rakshartham. He asked for the raksha of his yajnas, Rama, who was equal in valor to Lord Subramanya. Okay. Vasishtha वचनात् रामं लक्ष्मणेन समन्वितं कृच्छ्रेण नृपतिस्तस्य कौशिकस्य करे ददौ. Okay. So the king was not really willing to give part with his two sons. We know this story, right? So what did happen? So after that, only because of Vasishtha Vachana. So we know Panchami Hetu. पंचमी हेतु, सो वशिष्ठ वचनात् कस्मात् सह कौशिकस्य करे ददौ रामम और लक्ष्मणेन सह वशिष्ठ वचनात्, वशिष्ठ के वचन के कारण उन्होंने दे दिया. कौशिकस्य करे ददौ, सो कौशिक इज वन मोर नेम ऑफ विश्वामित्र ऋषि. सो you see one thing, Lakshmanena Samanvitam. What is here? Ramam Lakshmanena Samanvitam. Lakshman ke saath. So, ke saath, we know Saha Sardham Samam Sakam and all. We use Tritiya, right? So, Lakshmanena Samanvitam. Lakshman ke saath. He gave Rama, he also gave Lakshmana along with him. Now, तौ गृहीत्वा ततो गच्छन् बलाम अतिबलाम तथा अस्त्राणि च समग्राणि ताभ्याम उपदिदेशसः. तौ गृहीत्वा, so after getting all these, both of these people, Ramam and Lakshmanam, गृहीत्वा, उनका ग्रहण करके, he went somewhere. He went to the yajna for his yajnas and all. Or probably he was going towards his yajna now. He was going towards his yajna, but what did he do before that? He gave them two vidyas, Bala and Ati Bala. These are two vidyas that he gave to these two brothers. And he also gave them the knowledge of all astras, Samagrani astrani, all the astras. He gave them the Upadidesha. This is all going on in the lit lakara, the remote past. गच्छन् सहानुजौ रामः कौशिकेन प्रचोदितः ताटकाम् अवधीत् धीमान् लोकपीडन तत्पराम्. Very interesting verse. गच्छन् सह अनुजः रामः. So with the anuja, अनुजेन सह वर्तते इति सहानुजः. So he is going, he is always with his anuja, right? Lakshmana. So he went Sahanuja Ramah. Sahanuja has become a Visheshana for Rama. Rama is always with Lakshmana. So Sahanuja. Anujena Saha. Anuj के साथ जो हमेशा रहते हैं. Gachan Anuj Saha Sahanuja. So he went with his Anuja, induced or inspired by Kaushika. Kaushikena. Kaushik यानी विश्वामित्र. विश्वामित्रेण प्रचोदितः. उनके द्वारा इंस्पायर्ड होके. वी से दिस इन द गायत्री, धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात, राइट. प्रचोदयात हमारी बुद्धि का अच्छी चीजों की ओर प्रेरण करें. प्रचोदन, दैट इज द वर्ड. सो वी आर सेइंग नाउ ताटकाम अव ताटकाम अवधीत धीमान लोक पीडन तत्पराम. व्हाट डिड ही डू? दिस धीमान. व्हाट इज धीमान? Intelligent. This the intelligent Rama avadhit, killed Tataka, who was, how was Tataka? What is her Visheshana? Loka Pidana Tatpara, always ready to hurt or disturb people. Kaushikena. Sorry, this is what? No, sorry. Tatah siddhashramam prapya Kaushikah sah Raghavah अध्वरं च समारेभे राक्षसाश्च समागमन्. What is happening here? So he's saying sa and agaman. This is samagaman. So he went somewhere. Or what happened? No. So basically, uh, he went along with, so Kaushika Rishi and Rama and Lakshmana, they all went to Siddhashrama. There is the ashram of Vishwamitra. So Vishwamitra and Rama Lakshmana, they all went to Siddhashrama. Prapya is the thing. So uske baad kya हुआ? Once they went there, Prapya, after they went there, they started the yagya. Yagya is called as Adhvara. This word will come in I think in your if you have taken a paper in Vedic history or something, you will see this word Adhvaryu. We say Adhvaryu is one of the kartas or one of the people who are part of the yagya, will do the paurohitya. So Adhvaryu. So in the same way, Adhvara is yagya. So yagyam cha samarethe. They started the yagya, and also the rakshasas. This is rakshasah, rakshasau, rakshasaha. So bahuvachanam. They also started coming. Very good. राघवस्तु ततोस्त्रेण क्षिप्त्वा मारीचमर्णवे सुबाहुप्रमुखान् हत्वा यज्ञं चापालयन्मुनेः. So Raghav, what he did, Rama, he tatah, after that, after these Rakshasas started coming and the yajna had also started, astrena shitva, he threw with an astra, he applied an astra and threw Marich into the sea, Arnava. Okay. And the army whose Pramukha was Subahu, to that army he killed. Subahu Pramukhaha. The people whose Pramukha is Subahu. So Subahu is a leader of the Rakshasas. Them he killed. See, this is in Subahu Pramukhan. Pramukha was Subahu Pramukha. If somebody said, that would be one person. So it would just be a Pratipadika. Then we will say Subahu Pramukha. Prathama Ek Vachanam. Subahu Pramukhaha. That is Prathama Dvivachanam. But we want Karma Karaka. So we are saying Subahu Pramukhan. Balakan. तो जिनके प्रमुख हैं सुबाहु, उनको हत्वा, उनको मारकर यज्ञम च अपालयन मुने हैं. मुनि, मुनि का जो यज्ञ है, दैट इज वाई मुनि में हम लोगों ने षष्ठी लगाया. मुने है यज्ञम च अपालयन, मुनि के यज्ञ की रक्षा की. अप्रोटेक्टेड बेसिकली. What else happened? Kaushikena ततो रामो नीयमानः सहानुजः अहल्याशापनिर्मोक्षम् कृत्वा सम्प्राप मैथिलम्. So he took Niyamanah Sahanujah. So Niyamanah is taken by Kaushika along with his Anuja Rama. Then what did he do? He much is the dhatu, that is alag karna ya mukt karna. So he removed the shapa of Ahalya, and after that Samprapa Maithili met not Maithili, sorry, Maithili is Sita, Maithilam. Maithilam is the king of Mithila, that is Janaka. He met them. Then what happened? जनकेन अर्चितो रामः कौशिकेन प्रचोदितः सीतानिमित्तमानीतं बभञ्ज धनुरैश्वरम्. So Janaka did his archana. Janaka basically did all the respect that is shown to the guest, all the archana and everything he did. So Rama gave all the respect, and then inspired by Kaushika, what did he do? Sita nimittamanitam. Sita nimittam yasya tat. That is Sita nimittam, connected with the marriage of Sita. So Janaka's pratigya was who uh, uh, basically is able to uh, use the Shiva Dhanusha would marry his daughter. So what did Bhagwan Rama do? He babhanja, he broke it, lit lakara again. Dhanuhu Aishwaram, the Dhanu of Lord Shiva, Aishwara, Dhanu Raishwaram. So the Dhanusha of Ishwara or Lord Shiva. He broke it. Anyway, then Tato Dasharatham Dutaihi Anaya मिथिलाधिपः रामादिभ्यः तत्सुतेभ्यः सीतात्याः कन्यका ददौ. So he then sent his dutas to Rama's to Dasharatha, and requested him to come, and Dasharatha came, and to his sons, Tatsutebhya, Ramadibhya, to his sons, Rama, etc., he gave all the Kanyakas, all the Kanyas, that is Sita Dyaha. So Rama was married to Sita, uh, Bharat, sorry, Lakshmana was married to Urmila, Bharat to Mandavi, and Shatrughna to Shrutakirti. Yeah. So ततो गुरुनियोगेन कृतोद्वाहः सहानुजः राघवो निर्ययौ तेन जनकेनोरुमानितः. So after the order of the Guru, Kritodvaha Sahanujah. Kritodvaha means married, and with the Anujas. So the Rama, who was now married and with his brothers, uh, Niryayau, went after being uh, greatly, after being Uru or greatly being respected by Janaka. Janakena Uru Manitaha. तदाकर्ण्य धनुर्भंगम आयान्तं रोषभीषणं विजित्य भार्गवम रामम अयोध्यां प्राप राघवः. So Bhrigoho apathyam is Bhargavah. So what happens? Tada Akarnya, Sunkar, after listening about Dhanurbhangam, after listening about Dhanurbhanga, Ayantam Rosha Bhishanam, getting a lot of anger, so the one who got a lot of anger, to that Parashuram, this Rama defeated and went to Ayodhya. Ayodhyam Prapa Raghava. ततः सर्वजनानन्दं कुर्वाणः चेष्टितैः स्वकैः तामध्युवास काकुत्स्थः सीतया सहितः सुखम्. So Kakutstha is a forefather of Bhagavan Rama. So Rama is called Kakutstha. So what happens is, by his actions, swakaihi cheshtitaihi, by his actions, he started giving ananda to everybody. Sarvajananandam. Tamadhyuvasa काकुत्स्थः सीतया सहितः सुखम. तो सुख के साथ काकुत्स्थ भगवान श्री राम started living with Bhagavati Sita. So with this we end. So this is सीतया सहितः, तो जिसके साथ उसमें तृतीया लगी, सीतया हो गया. It is not सीता सहितः, सीतया सहितः. So this is how it is working. We will keep going back to these ideas. I mean, we have completed Balakanda, but we will start sometimes revisiting some of these concepts to see how Vyakarana is getting plugged into the construct of Sri Ramodantam. Anyway, with this I end today's Patha. येनाक्षर समाम्नायम अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतंजलिं पाणिनीं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्.